Meaning of dalliance. Dalliance. Dalliance.
Dalliance. Dalliance. Dalliance refers to a casual, non-serious romantic or sexual relationship. It is characterized by brief encounters and a lack of commitment or emotional attachment. Dalliances are often short-lived and occur between individuals who are not looking for a long-term relationship. While they may be enjoyable in the moment, dalliances generally do not lead to lasting satisfaction or happiness. Instead, they can leave individuals feeling unfulfilled or unsatisfied, as they lack the depth and intimacy of a more meaningful connection.